Hey guys! In this video, I'll guide you through every single step to file quarterly estimated taxes for your LLC completely hassle-free so you can keep the IRS happy and keep every hard-earned dollar where it belongs. When you run an LLC, whether you're a single member pass-through entity or a partnership, nobody is withholding taxes from your income like a traditional employer does. The IRS operates on a pay-as-you-go system, which means they want their cut throughout the year as you earn money, not just in one giant bill next April. If you wait until tax filing season to pay everything in one lump sum, the IRS will hit you with underpayment penalties and interest charges, even if you pay your full balance on time. To figure out if you actually need to pay quarterly, look at your projected earnings. If you expect to owe $1,000 or more in federal taxes after subtracting your withholdings and tax credits, you are required to make quarterly estimated tax payments. Before you write a check, you need to calculate your income properly. Take your total gross revenue for the quarter and subtract all eligible business expenses, things like software subscriptions, advertising costs, equipment, travel, and contractor fees. What remains is your net profit. From there, you have to account for two main federal taxes. First is the self-employment tax, which covers Social Security and Medicare at a rate of 15.3% on 92.35% of your net business earnings. Second is your standard federal income tax rate, which depends on your personal income tax bracket. If calculating your exact profit every single quarter sounds overwhelming, you can rely on the safe harbor rule to guarantee you avoid all IRS underpayment penalties. Under the safe harbor rule, if you pay either 90% of your tax liability for the current year or 100% of the total tax you owed on your previous year's tax return, the IRS cannot penalize you even if your business ends up making significantly more money than expected. Keep in mind, if your adjusted gross income on last year's return was over $150,000, that prior year requirement jumps from 100% to 110%. Simply take your total tax line from last year's Form 1040, divide that number by 4, and pay that exact amount each quarter. Timing is everything when it comes to avoiding late penalties. The IRS does not divide the year into 4 equal 3-month chunks, which catches a lot of business owners off guard. First quarter covers January through March, and payment is due April 15th. Second quarter covers April through May, with payment due June 15th. Third quarter covers June through August, due September 15th, and fourth quarter covers September through December, and that payment is due January 15th of the following year. Mark those 4 dates on your calendar as non-negotiable business deadlines. When it comes time to submit your payment, you have 3 simple methods. The absolute easiest and fastest way is using IRS Direct Pay on the official IRS website. You select estimated tax as your payment reason, apply it to Form 1040 ES, and pay directly from your bank account with 0 registration or extra fees. The second electronic option is creating an account through EFTPS, the Electronic Federal Tax Payment System, which is great for scheduling all 4 payments in advance so you never miss a deadline. The third option is mailing a paper check along with an official Form 1040 ES payment voucher, though electronic methods give you immediate digital proof of payment, so nothing gets lost in the mail. Do not forget your state taxes. Most states with an income tax require their own quarterly estimated payments following a very similar schedule, so make sure to check your State Department of Revenue portal. By tracking your expenses monthly, setting aside roughly 25 to 30% of your profit in a dedicated tax savings account, and submitting your payments on or before those 4 quarterly deadlines, you eliminate tax season stress entirely and protect your LLC from useless IRS penalties. Subscribe for more.